Hey guys, welcome back to the Carbon Connection with me, Yasser Ismail. It's another sort of DIY. Well, it's just changing a globe, but yeah, DIY for me. And yeah, I'm wearing the same t-shirt that I was wearing with the last DIY. Weird. But yeah, it is what it is. So one of my Angel Eye headlight globes went out recently. I'm actually not too sure if it's the FRM module or just the globe itself. I'm hoping it's just the globe. But yeah, we went ahead and bought a new set of LED Angel Eye globes from Rennzport, and we're going to attempt installing them and yeah, see if that sorts out the problem. So yeah man, it's some really neat packaging for the stuff that I got from Rennzport. Here are the replacements. As you can see, the LEDs. Sorry about the lighting, I don't know why I'm doing this at this time of the day, but yeah, the itch got to me and I figured if I don't just do it now, I'm never going to get down to it. They've also got the error cancelers, which are, I think it's there. But yeah, we'll get down to actually how they look and how to install them in a bit. Okay, so just go ahead, pop the hood. So it's my right Angel Eye that's out, and it's underneath this little cover over here. So there's two tabs, one over here and one over here. It's got a flathead screwdriver, which I'll pop in there just to remove them. Got one side tab is out. Just gotta push this one in. There we go. That popped right up. Go ahead, just remove that cover. As you can see, there's some clips in there. So when I'm reinstalling, I know I've just gotta slide it back in. Okay, so now that I've got the cover out, you can see that there is the Angel Eye globe. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop my hand in there. Okay, so as you can see, I just pushed the tab to the right. So obviously turned and loosened the globe. You can see the globe is loose now. Unfortunately, I'm doing this with one hand, so I'm not able to document this as well as I should. Don't have my tripod here today, but yeah, I'm gonna try and do my best. Okay, so after a lot of wiggling and fighting with this globe to get out, finally managed getting it out. Now I just gotta thread it through, pull the wiring out, and here we are. That's the old halogen globe, as you can see. And yeah, we're gonna replace them with the LED one. Okay, so there's just two tabs on each side, one here and one over here. So I'm just trying to get that into focus, but yeah. So we'll just lift those gray tabs and the globe should pop right off. Okay, so I've got the globe out. Like I said, just lifted the gray tabs on each side and it popped right off. Okay, so I've gone ahead and gotten the new set. So I'm just going to pull one of these out and show you how it connects to the original connectors. A lot of connections over here. So another really cool part of these kits is that obviously, like I said, it has the error cancelers, but over and above that there's a lot of wiring, but you can actually unclip it over here, which obviously leads to the globe. And once you've unclipped that, it'll give you a little bit less of a headache when you're actually plugging this into the actual original connector. So that's going to plug in to a gray connector over here. And once I've got that in, then obviously I can reconnect this to the globe itself so that there isn't too much wiring in the way when I'm getting the initial connection in. And then I'll go ahead and yeah, get the globe sorted in. Okay, so like I mentioned, I've got the original connector slotted in to this unit. And the globe, like I said, I've disconnected it. So I'm going to go ahead and fit the globe in and then connect that to that to power it up. Okay, this might be a bit difficult. Okay, actually, I'm not going to attempt this with one hand, unfortunately. So yeah, I'll catch you guys once I've actually gotten this into the slot. Okay, so that was not the easiest of things to do. The space to work with is not great. So yeah, eventually just slotted it in sort of backwards towards the back and pushed the globe in that way. And then yeah, with a little bit of wiggling around, got it into position, twisted it anti-clockwise. Well, yeah, anti-clockwise to actually secure it. Well, technically it's actually clockwise if you're looking at it from that direction, but yeah, finally got that in. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect the other bit of kit and let's see if it powers up. Like I said, it might be the FRM module. I'm hoping it's just the globe. So yeah, wish me luck. I've got the other connection in, pretty simple to slot in. So obviously I'd need to tuck all of these wires in here somewhere with the error canceller, but before I do that, I just want to see if it actually does power up. Okay, so it's not the FRM module. I'm really relieved that it isn't the FRM module, and it's just the globe that is gone. So as you can see, this is the new Angel Eye, nice bright white LEDs versus the old ones, yellow. Yeah, not that great to look at. Obviously back then, I mean, that was the norm. So yeah, man, super stoked. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks afterwards. Okay, I've taken the plates off just to show you guys what it looks like side by side with bonnet closed. Obviously that being LED, you can see some flicker on the video versus the halogens on the right or the left hand side of the car here. Okay, I've successfully installed the other side. And that's what she looks like. Huge improvement over the stock halogen lamps, which obviously give a very yellow effect. So this looks a lot more modern, a lot better. Sorry, car's quite dirty. But yeah, man, really happy with the results. Okay peeps, and that sums it up. Sorry for such a haphazard DIY. I know I'm calling changing globes a DIY, but yeah, it was a little bit difficult to get in there and obviously reinstall the bulbs. But yeah, shout out to Rennzport for hooking me up. I just posted a message on the group complaining about the fact that yeah, the one set of Angel Eyes was out, and Free was quick to jump on it and let me know that they had replacements. I managed to get it in time for Black Friday as well, so I got a really good deal on them. Free did offer to help installing them, but I figured I'd attempt it myself before I got him involved. And yeah, happy to have successfully installed them. Let me know what you guys think about the new look in the comments below. I definitely think it's a huge improvement. And yeah, see you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't done so already, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys' efforts and support for the channel goes a really long way for me. Thanks.